Hi traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a great option if you want something more flexible alongside what I'm reviewing today. Now in this video, I'm taking a look at the gold 1 minute EA. And just to confirm right from the beginning, the EA is available for both MT4 and MT5. So you can run it on either platform without any issues. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and this is gold 1 minute EA by Nguyen Chong. Interestingly, this one is actually free to download, which already makes it more accessible compared to most gold EAs out there. From the description, this EA is designed specifically for XAUUSD, and it operates on the M1 time frame. All right, we can see that here, which immediately tells me we are dealing with a precision based fast reacting strategy. But what stands out here is that despite being on the 1 minute chart, it's not trying to overtrade. In fact, the developer makes it very clear this EA focuses on quality entries. All right, you can see the EA does not trade frequently. Okay, which is something you don't usually see with M1 systems. So instead of constant scalping, it waits for very specific conditions before entering the market. Now let's break down how this EA is structured and why that matters. At its core, this EA is built around price action logic, but not in a raw, unfiltered way. It combines multiple confirmations before entering a trade. Okay, so you are not just getting a simple candlestick signal, you are getting structure, trend alignment, and volatility filtering all working together. For example, using engulfing patterns alone can be unreliable. All right, but when you combine that with breakout and retest behavior, it adds context, meaning the EA is likely entering after confirmation, not anticipation. And there is the higher time frame trend filter using the EMA. This is important because it prevents the EA from trading against the dominant direction. On gold, counter trend trades can get punished quickly. So this filter helps improve overall trade quality. Now, the ATR based volatility filter adds another layer. This ensures the EA only trades when there is enough movement in the market. Without volatility, even good setups can fail. All right. And this filter helps avoid those low momentum periods. Now, on the risk management side, this EA uses fixed take profit. We can see that here, and optional stop loss, either fixed or trend based, and also trailing stop. What this does is give the EA flexibility. The fixed take profit ensures consistency, while the trailing stop allows it to lock in profits if the market extends further than expected. There is also daily drawdown protection, which is actually a strong feature for controlling risk over time. Now, one thing I really like here, there is no martingale, no greed, no, doubling lot strategy, no recovery systems, right? So that means the EA relies purely on entry accuracy and structured exits, not on increasing risk to cover losses. The only trade-off is that it won't try to fix losing trades. So performance depends heavily on how well those entry conditions hold up. All right, so let's move into the strategy tester and see how this EA behaves in real time, in real conditions. I have already downloaded the free EA, so I'm just going to head over to my MT5 right now, and I'm going to be testing it on gold on the M1 time frame. All right, the gold 1 minute EA on the M1 time frame. We are going to be backtesting from the beginning of the year, till date, so that we can get at least a significant period of market conditions, right? About 3 months and 3 weeks. Okay, now let us start the test. With an EA like this, you really want to see how it handles both high volatility and slower market conditions. Okay, So now we can see that the EA is already active. We've got trades being executed. All right, we have trades being executed already. Now, you notice that the EA is not entering blindly, right? It waits for structure confirmation before executing. You notice the direction, right? It's aligned with the overall trend. We have a bullish trend here, and this is a buy trade. All right, so this tells me that higher time frame EMA filter is doing its job. Okay, so let's just continue. All right, you also notice that there is gap between trades, right? This EA is not firing entries, you know, constantly, even on M1. All right, that means it's filtering aggressively, likely requiring all conditions, maybe price action, trend, and volatility, right, to align before taking a trade. So this is actually a strength because it avoids over trading. Okay, and if you look closely, you will see that each trade has its individual stop loss, right? And for the take profit, it either hits a predefined take profit or gets managed by the trailing stop once price moves in profit. So the exit logic here is structured but flexible, right? It locks in gains while still allowing room for extended moves. Okay, and as the test continues, we can see that this is how the EA is designed to behave, right? It avoids trading when conditions are not ideal, especially during quieter sessions like the Asian session. So this is actually where many EAs fail. They keep trading when there is no real opportunity. Okay, so let's just keep moving forward. Okay, so volatility picks up, immediately the EA becomes active again. So overall, what we are seeing is a system that performs best in moderate to high volatility conditions with clear structure and avoids the market when conditions are weak. So we are just going to be fast forwarding. We're going to be skipping to the end of this backtest so that we can analyze the results together. Okay, so in about 2 minutes or less, we should have the results out. I'm just going to be back once the results are out. So the results are out. And well, this is not very nice. We had a total net profit in the negative. In fact, the account was almost blown. And we can see there were total trades. The total number of trades was 104, 0 short trades, 104 long trades. So all trades were in the direction of the trend, right? 104. And the largest profitable trade was 120.56, and the largest losing trade was $826. The average profit trade was just $33.43, and the average losing trade was $503.59. This tells me that the risk management system was not very effective. The risk management was not good enough, all right, for us to have this difference in average profitable trade and average losing trade, and the largest profitable trade and the largest losing trade. The difference is quite much. Okay, so looking at the overall results from this back test, remember that these are historical backtest results, so they give us an idea of how the EA has performed under certain conditions, right? But it's important to understand that these results are not guaranteed. Performance will vary depending on the risk settings, the lot size, the broker conditions, market volatility, amongst others. Also, because this EA relies on precise entry conditions, you should definitely test and optimize it yourself, especially on your specific broker setup. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.